See, we use Wireshark protocol, Wireshark tools to understand whether really happening or not. In this picture, if you see that the 1081 green color one, first packet, which is fifth packet here, number may 1081 port opened, because any application you open in your system, there is a by default a random port would be attached to identify your applications. And with request of 90.2, 91, and 90.1 is responded with acknowledgement with respect to then synchronization packet. This synchronization packet, because that same sequence 00 bringing, but acknowledgement would be added 0 plus 1. So that acknowledgement one is tells about this is what the sequence I am, this acknowledgement. Because at the same time, so a lot of requests may be coming, lot of ports are opening by default, because as many as applications are talking from your client, they should have a port. So at the same time, which sync packet is you are talking about, that confuse may be there. That's what a particular sequence 0, if you add one an acknowledgement, that acknowledgement one is with respect to the previous sequence, whatever that it is there. Then client was given acknowledgement. So then HTTP is initiated, then data is moving from one place to another place. So all these things I can communicated. In the previous case, since the DNS and web server messages are same, so first the ARP applied. Otherwise, the ARP protocol is always happens between two systems. First ARP, then DNS, then three-way handshake, then data transfer, and the four-way handshake for which is for closing the connection. So that's what lab exercise which we do that. But before doing lab exercise, I have another chapter, another one which I also open it. Somebody is asked about Ethernet and PPT, where I won't discuss much, but for understanding the immediately the data link layer protocol, I'll make it as much as possible to move it to the practical orientation. Data link protocols. TCP/IP data link layer is basically in the last layer and comprising of the physical layer. And when it is coming to TCP/IP, otherwise this would be taking care having two sub layers. One is media access control layer, MAC layer, and LLC, logical link control layer. So these two layers are part of this particular data link layer, which we'll talk about that. What are those? In any broadcast network, the station must ensure that only one station transmits at a time on the shared communication channel. See, if all machines which are connected to a network, all at a time, if they started broadcast, what happens? The packets in the broadcast network, 256 machines are talking to 256 machines. So all are sending the messages at a time. So how many messages will go through in the network? There could be definitely network congestion. So the protocol that determines who can transmit on a broadcast channel are called media access control protocol. And the MAC protocol are implemented in the MAC sublayer, which is the lower sublayer of the data link layer. The higher portion of the data link layer is often called logical link control layer, so that the data would be transferred to the above layer logically. So when coming to the data link layer, the broadcast network, that means all stations share single communication channel, where if you send the data would be shared across not only these two members, but every member. So everything is busy with that. But when it is coming to the point-to-point network, that point-to-point somebody said, no, what is the PPP? That is nothing but point-to-point protocol. which is using. So that's what we call as a PP. So what is that point to point physically? So each machine is connected to other machines in the network. Like it's a star based network. This machine is connected to here, this machine, this machine, this machine also. And if you take this machine, this is connected to, this is also connected to. So this is, suppose let's say if I am sending in a broadcast here, it will go to here, go to here, go to here, go to here. And you also can send at the parallel other time to everybody. So broadcast, when it is coming, it is a single medium. But when you are talking to point, anybody can talk to anybody.